Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 30 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week is something associated with a specific place you visited. I've got this postcard of the Great Smoky Mountains. I grew up going here, and my family now, we've gone a few times and we love it. Something ornate. I've got these vellum stickers with the gold, and I've got this image here I think is ornate. Textured paper. I've got this embossed paper here that's got the leaf embossing. A flower plant. I've got these two big stickers that I'm going to put in the center of what I've already gotten collaged. A clothing tag. I'm not going to use that this time. And the bonus is sewing a stitch, real drawn or stamp. And I've got this little strip here that I got in Happy Mail, so I'm going to use that. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. So let's get these stickers down and we'll go from there. Now I know I'm going to have to, I don't know, they may be sticky enough. But I collaged around and I thought I would use those stickers because I really don't know what else to use these big stickers for. Alright, I like how that looks. And I got that from my Botanist Sticker Anthology. And I'll go ahead and glue my prompts down. And I don't have any idea how I'm going to do the rest. I'm sure I've got a clothing tag somewhere, but I couldn't even begin to tell you where to find it. So I'm just skipping that one this time. Okay, I do know this will go on the side. So I'll just cut that off right there and get it down. Well, I've started watching White Collar, my husband and I, and it really has been good. Thank you, Pam. And we're enjoying it. We caught up with Murdoch, and I don't know if there's going to be any more or not. Let's see here. I may just use a piece. Got my I'm going to just tear it. And maybe add a piece, maybe something like that. And got that. Let's see. I like that. Okay. Well, that's a start. I'm not sure this is going to be my favorite this time, but they can't all be favorites, can they? You want the I enjoy Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, and I love going. Haven't been to North Carolina in many years. I've never been to Clingman's Dome. I've always wanted to go there. But I love Cades Cove, and I love North Carolina. We used to go to this little, I don't even know if it's still there anymore, but it used to be Ghost Town in the Sky, and it was a lot of fun. It wasn't as popular as like Dollywood and such, but still. a lot of fun. All right, let's see. I can go ahead and get this down. And I'm going to have to figure out a way to embellish this further. Okay. I like that. Like that. Go ahead and get that down. Let me just, so it won't. There we go. And get this down. And I haven't inked this one. I'm still reading the Vampire Knitting Club. I haven't had much time to read the last few days. Okay. And add that. Those edges so we don't see those glue lines. About these vellum stickers, I don't like they're beautiful, but they sure do curl on you. Okay. Now I need something to embellish. I like that. So why not? Perfect, just enough. And let's see. Got these beautiful stickers. Okay, let's get this up. That's pretty. Get rid of this little edge here, and I think I'm going to use this whole sticker. there. This one here. Get these old corners off. Okay. Tuck this right there. I'll put that one there. And let's see. That one there and that one there. Probably should move this one. Wonder if I can get it up. Let's maybe move it up here. There we go. Where's the other? There it is. All right. Now I'm just going to add some gold splatters. Go. Now this one's definitely not my favorite. It is very busy, but like I said, they all can't be your favorites. All right. So we have something associated with a special place you visited. I've got the Smoky Mountains National Park. Something ornate. I've got these stickers and this girl here. I've got my textured paper, a flower plant. I've got my background, and I've got these stickers. I skipped the clothing tag, and the bonus is a sewing stitch, real drawn or stamped. And this strip is sewn. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.